Morning, everyone. Morning, Baba. Hello. Hello, sweetie pie. Say hello to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Mas Siaosi daw mga ilang kyo.
Ucha, ucha, ucha.
So, I hope you guys like that noodle challenge. I'm really disappointed that y'all ain't vote for me. I was about to delete all of those comments that said Team Siaosi. I was gonna do it.
Team Siaosi.
I was gonna do it, but then I was like,
we do our barbecue.
Lord,
celebrate our
the
win.
good Christian that I am, I won't do it.
We do our barbecue to celebrate our win. Barbecue time.
Like Victoria,
What?
can there be a Team Darnell? Can there be a Team Darnell or what?
No.
Please.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Give me 5 reasons why I can't do it.
No. 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 No.
You're mean.
No.
I don't like haters. There's heaps of haters.
Well, in life, Darnell, life comes with haters. And you use those haters to strengthen yourself, encourage yourself, and get better. Don't get even, just get better.
Okay.
Team Siaosi, thank you. Underwater.
No, I hate you. Oh, the challenge, you're allowed to drink milk. There was one rule that I didn't tell you about the challenge, honey. You know what it is?
What?
That the $100 needs to be spent on the other person.
What person?
The other person in the challenge. Se lau kala le la mawe oi. E ki aru whao ngā ia au. O le si runga o le challenge o gere I ka waku ia oi. Pa pese I ka umuri muri aku wa. Teresa Sky!
I look up at the sky and I see the clouds.
What's wrong with your lips?
And I see the rainbow down the plain.
Fly away. I'm in your air.
I'm high.
To Teresa Sky!
You know that like night, bubble like champagne and Sprite. All night me and me alone. Don't let me from left to right side.
You have to pass it back.
She got a shout out to the girls that pay all time. Take your ass back home if you get wrong. Baby, it's my fault. Slide.
Now we here more to spend $100 of my win to the spicy noodle challenge.
No,
I
you're
won.
spending it on me.
Now we're going to spend $100 of my win. Guys, if you hear,
I hate you guys so much.
I'll do a big barbecue for us. But now you're gonna spend for me. Sorry guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Yes, I want please.
E le lava se se lau kala e whanga umai a oko. E kele muko le lava kupe. Saying he want to shout you guys barbecue.
Team Siaosi, now shout McManus.
Marosi. This is a billboard at the mall, and there's my little cousin Aso, Milo Dace. He goes to St. Edmund's College, and he made the cut. I'm just feeling butthurt that I did not win, even though I did win. But seriously, I didn't see anywhere in the book of rules where it said that you can't drink milk. If I'd known, I wouldn't have drunk it. You know what, guys, despite the sun shining so brightly, it's pretty chilly out here. Distance between our bodies.
Girl, you want like a warrior. Be down in your holster. Distance between us. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Broke side like cruise. That's how I like my baby.
Buy ice cream.
Hi guys, how are you? Hi, thanks. Yeah, could I grab a almond magnum, please?
I swear this place has been like my go-to place since I would say since I could drive, which would have been around 15, 16. I've been coming up here for so many years. There are so many people here. Thank you so much for coming along with us today. Hold on. We're about to go to bed now, but before we do, I wanted to pick comment of the day. And I'm choosing everyone that commented Team Victoria. That's who I'm choosing. If you commented Team Victoria, then you got comment of the day. There was one that was really funny that Esfafiti wrote. If you want to watch the video again, you can check out his comment. It made me laugh. He's too funny. Thank you so much, bro, for watching. And do you want to say something?
The comment of the day is Team Siaosi. Oh look.
No. We're ending the vlog now. You're not going to look. You don't have time to look. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Comment of the day.